Hey, hello, welcome to Scientia course. In this video, I'm going to tell about science, how do we learn science and the branches of science. Okay, to begin with, what is science? So, as my channel name suggested, it is Scientia, which comes from a Latin language, means knowledge. So, what is this knowledge all about? So, we learn many things around us. So we learn about many things around us and as well as we learn about ourselves. So knowledge about everything around us and knowledge about ourselves is something called as science. Okay. To make it very clear and to make it very precise, what are the branches of science? So as you can see, there are four major branches of science. The first one is formal, second one is natural, third one is social, fourth one is applied. So the first one, formal science. So it deals about the study of logics and mathematics comes under formal science. The second one is natural science. So under natural science comes our science, which we call in our schools, such as physics, chemistry and biology. It has been divided into two as biological science and physical science. So biology, you know that it is all about the study of living things. Bio, it's nothing but life. Logy, it's nothing but study. And physical science comprises of both physics and as well as chemistry. The third one is social science. So we know that it is all about history, geography, economics, civics. All these comes under social science. Applied science. So whatever the scientific knowledge we have, we are applying in our day-to-day life. The applications of science comes under applied science. For example, engineering. For example, our technology is a major application of science. So next, how do we learn science? How we should learn science or how do we learn science? So the first very important thing to learn science is observation. Observe everything around you. There is a small difference between seeing and observing. For example, you might have seen your mothers preparing curd with the milk. But what exactly is happening? How this transformation is taking place from milk to curd? What exactly is happening? When you go and observe it, you find the answer. The answer is science. Science is there behind this curdling process. Second thing, observe everything around you. For example, leaves. You see many trees around you, many plants around you. Why these leaves are green in color and as well as different colors of leaves are there? Why it is so? Why is it like that? Why particularly green color is majority if you see many of the trees? Observe it. Go beyond that. Go deeper and find out the answer. Third thing, like a third example. Okay. What is happening to this spider webs? You can see in near the tube lights and you can see in the corner of the rooms. So what exactly the spider is doing? How this spider is spinning its web in such a way that it is coming in a very good design. It is doing a very good architecture work there. A particular shape it comes and it is sitting in the middle of the web. Why it is happening like that? Go, observe and find the answer. There lies the science. Next thing, experimentation. So we do a lot of experiments and we come to a conclusion, that is inference. So we do experiments and infer. What is that inference? So we are bringing a conclusion from a particular experiment. We are doing some experiment and we are bringing a conclusion from that and we are finding an answer for that particular concept. The next thing, hypothesis. So hypothesis is nothing but assumption. You are doing an experiment and you are assuming that this is going to happen or this is what will happen. So all these are the major skills you need to learn science. Okay. So keep in your mind, science is a way of life. Science is all about yourself and your surroundings. Keep this in your mind. So as a teacher, I'm going to transform my knowledge particularly in biological science and physical science, in particular chemistry, in the upcoming videos. So the next video will be about Introduction to Chemistry. Thank you.